What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. As always, I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy, taking care of your temple, because it's the only place that you got to live in this lifetime. You feel me? All right, please like and subscribe to the channel. As you know, it is greatly appreciated. All right, so today I want to show y'all a pickup that I made. You know, it's the colder seasons. You know, we coming on to the winter season, New York, and you know how treacherous those can be. All right, we've been kind of lucky as of late. You know, not too much snow here in New York City in the past couple winters, but gotta be prepared. All right, so usually, you know, the boots is the Timberland boot. You feel me? That's usually the go-to New York City style, but you always gotta have options. All right, so here's the option that I picked up for the winter season, New York City. All right, so let's get to it. Got the Polo Ralph Lauren box. All right, we got the Oslo tactical boot. Try to get that in focus for you. All right, so let's go ahead and bust them open. All right, so voila, it's the Polo Oslo waterproof boot. Check it out. Is it clear enough for you? Is it clear enough for you? Polo on the back. You got this one yellow stripe. Got the yellow laces. And this is suede, right? Premium Polo. One thing with Polo, you're gonna get quality. All right, you're gonna definitely get that top-notch quality when it comes to Ralph Lauren Polo. All right, so yeah, these are dope. Got a little pull tab in the back right here. Right, you see it? Is it clear enough for you? Got the horse. You see it? Is it clear enough for you? Got the yellow laces. Got the Polo at the top of the tongue right here. Right in there. Alright, yeah, these are dope. This is a dope boot. Rugged, waterproof, right? So yeah, like I said, the suede, quality suede right there. Right there says Hydro Guard, waterproof system, Hydro Guard. All right, so yeah, this gonna be my one of my winter options. All right, one of my winter options to go with the Timberland boot. You feel me? With the construction Timberlands. All right, but yeah, I'm really digging these. I think these were like $190 on the Ralph Lauren Polo app. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, all in all, this is a quality boot, like a real quality boot. I like the colorway, the black with the yellow. As you can see, the yellow is yellow inside also. Right, so yeah, this is a real quality boot. I would recommend. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking for another option, another boot option, give these a look. All right, so I wanted to bring y'all these real quick. Some heat for your feet. All right, stay tuned, because we always got more to come. Pause. We always got more in the bag. All right, the bag is deep. There's always more in the bag. All right, so stay tuned for more. Once again, I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy as always. Like and subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. All right, love always wins. Peace and God bless.